Welcome back to Beautyistic, where today I'm excited to review the Elizavecca Milky Piggy Collagen Ceramide Coating Protein Treatment, a product that promises to bring damaged hair back to life. If your hair has taken a hit from frequent coloring, perming, or styling, this treatment might just be the boost it needs. Let's dive right into what this product is all about. The Elizavecca Milky Piggy treatment is packed with pig collagen and a blend of hydrolyzed silk and plant-based extracts. The goal? To nourish, strengthen, and add elasticity to dry, damaged hair. This little powerhouse comes in a compact 3.38 ounces tube, making it perfect for travel or easy storage. Its formula is enriched with ceramides and amino acids to help fortify hair, prevent breakage, and restore softness, which is ideal for anyone who constantly battles frizz and dryness. Using this treatment was a straightforward and surprisingly pleasant experience. I applied it after shampooing, letting it sit for around 5 to 10 minutes as directed. The thick, creamy texture made it easy to distribute evenly, and I could feel it getting absorbed almost immediately. Rinsing it out was hassle-free, leaving no residue behind, which is always a plus. In terms of performance, this product definitely delivers on its promises. After just one use, my hair felt noticeably softer, smoother, and more manageable. It didn't weigh my hair down, which is often a concern with protein treatments, especially if you have fine hair. It also made my hair feel more resilient, as if it had an invisible shield against further damage. Now let's go over some pros and cons. On the plus side, this treatment is cruelty-free and free of parabens, so you can use it with a clear conscience. It's also quite affordable compared to similar high-end treatments like Olaplex num3, which offers similar benefits but at a higher price point. However, if you're sensitive to fragrances, you might want to take note, as it does contain perfume. Additionally, it's not sulfate-free, so it may not be ideal for those with sensitive scalps. Speaking of comparisons, Olaplex num3 might be a popular choice in the same category, but I found that the Elizavecca Milky Piggy holds its own quite well. While Olaplex focuses heavily on repairing broken bonds in the hair, Elizavecca goes the extra mile in terms of softening and conditioning. If you're after deep nourishment with a lower price tag, this is a fantastic option. One thing to keep in mind is that this treatment is best suited for occasional use, particularly for those with damaged or chemically treated hair. Overuse of protein can lead to stiffness, so if you're thinking about incorporating this into your routine, I'd recommend using it once a week or every other week, depending on your hair's condition. If you're enjoying this review so far, don't forget to like and subscribe to Beautyistic for more honest product reviews. Hitting that bell icon will ensure you don't miss any of our future videos. As for value for money, this product is a steal. You're getting a substantial amount of product for a fraction of the cost of other protein treatments, and the results truly speak for themselves. The build quality of the packaging is solid, with a simple yet functional design, which makes it easy to dispense the right amount without any mess. In summary, I'd highly recommend the Elizavecca Milky Piggy Collagen Ceramide Coating Protein Treatment for anyone looking to revive their damaged hair. It's ideal for anyone who wants to add a little luxury to their hair care routine without breaking the bank. If you're someone who colors, styles, or heat treats your hair frequently, this could be a game changer for you. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in trying out this product, you'll find the link in the comments. Feel free to drop any questions or share your own experience with the product. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, take care of yourself and your hair, and I'll see you in the next video.